you know the air quality level in your home? Do you know that some spores or particles can be in the air you breathe? What you don't know could affect your health. Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning are certified mold inspectors. For a reasonable price, we're able to run a number of tests on the air quality in your home. Within 3 business days, you'll receive a very detailed report of the results that were found. Based on the returned results, we are then able to explain and communicate with you in person or over the phone what the best resolution might be in your particular case. Once you're totally informed and understand what your options are, we then are able to help you with any of the necessary work needed to give you back the healthy home you deserve and want to live in. Feel free to look us up on Google at Rainbow of Asheville to learn more about who we are and read the wonderful reviews given to us by customers. We are also a full-service restoration company that deals with water, fire, smoke damage, and odors in your home. The whole team here at Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning would love to welcome you to our family. So give us a call today with any questions or concerns you may have. We restore, you recover 24/7. 828-333-6996. RainbowINTL.com/Asheville. Facebook.com/Rainbow International of Asheville.